Hi, my name's Alan.
And I'm Lorena.
We decided to get married in December, and we decided to come to Hawaii, and we were looking for a place to get married at, and Lorena found somebody on the website.
Yeah, I started searching. I looked through tons and tons of websites, and I came across Captain Howie's, and something caught my attention. I really don't know what it was. I was sitting there at like a Starbucks or something, and I kept watching it, and I couldn't wait till Alan got home.
Yeah, she showed it to me, and we had talked about something. We wanted something different, but something really pretty and really beautiful, and something on the beach.
I love the waterfalls, the fact that they had a garden, and that we could do it in front of a waterfall, and they had a beach, and I just kept looking at it. And then we started watching his other videos on the ceremony itself.
Yeah,
and
just the actual ceremony.
That kind of spoke to us a little bit.
Yeah.
So
we called Above Heaven's Gate and talked to, I guess it was Sarah or Jody and one of the girls here. And
oh my God, they were so nice.
Very helpful. They talked us through everything and told us what all we could do and all the picture options and everything and what the ceremony would entail. And we decided.
She kept telling me, don't worry, we'll take care of everything.
And they did.
Yeah, and I kept saying, but, and she's like, no, don't worry, we'll take care of everything. So
yeah, they talked us through everything, and they set it all up. It was very easy, and really they did take care of everything. And
I opt for the package of doing the whole thing, getting my hair and makeup done, and I brought my best friend and my niece with me. We all sat in there all morning long. It was so much fun. Just the place is so cute. It was like a little cottage in itself, just where you do it. And we sat in there, we laughed, we giggled, we talked about old times. The guy that was doing my makeup was absolutely wonderful. I was like, oh my God, you're like a genius.
Yeah, and the guys doing the pictures and the videos were very professional also.
Yeah.
They set up some great pictures and some great videos. And
I had so much fun all day. I was nervous when I got here, but the place is just so cozy, so like home, so beautiful. The flowers, they made me feel so relaxed that I actually got to relax a little bit. And I'm kind of a nervous kind of person, so.
And meeting Captain Howie when we got here was very nice because he sat down with me personally and we discussed just, what I did for a living and where we were going, where we were from, and I asked him how long he had been doing it. It was just a real personal experience. And then when we got on the beach before the ceremony, he asked us a few questions about our beliefs and our feelings about, God and our religion and tailored the ceremony to that. And the ceremony was very tailored to our lifestyle, and we loved it. It was great.
Yeah.
And he included everything we needed to included our family. So everything was done very professionally, and it was great. And it was probably, it was everything I wanted.
Yeah, it was more than I could ever dream of. The place is absolutely beautiful.
And I would recommend Captain Howie's wedding. I would recommend it to anyone that asked. And
yeah, if you want to get married in Hawaii, you got your gardens and you got your beach here. And the beach is a beautiful, beautiful, like magic beach.
It was great.
Yeah.
It was great. We definitely recommend it to anyone that wants to get married in Hawaii.
Yeah.
So all we can say now, I guess, aloha.
Aloha.
Thank you, everybody.